Let's start the definitions for kinematics with position. So position is easily defined as just location. So position is location, and then usually you need to give that with respect to a specific point. So location with respect to a reference point. Position is location with respect to a reference point. The notation that you will use will depend on the book. It's very common in intro physics textbooks to use x vector for 1D motion and often use r vector for 2 or 3D motion. The vector, the arrow that I'm drawing over the top indicates that it is a vector. So position is a vector. And that means that direction is important. The units are typically in meters, MKS usually. The units are meters, and the symbol for a meter is a lowercase m. If I just draw a super quick x-axis, and I mark off 1, 2, 3, that you could write that as x equals 3 meters. I was mentioning that it's a vector and that the direction matters, and that means that if I count this direction, 1, 2 say, that would be x equals -2 meters. So that's typically, to the right is typically the positive x direction, and to the left is typically the negative x direction. In one-dimensional motion, the sign, the plus or the minus sign, is enough to tell you which direction. So the plus or minus sign gives the direction. DIR for direction. So position is location with respect to an axis. It's a vector, means the direction is important. Plus or minus x is different. And it has units in the standard MKS of meters.